Right, in this video I am going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro. The screen is 15.6 inches across diagonally. It's an Intel Core i7. It's got 512 gigabytes memory SSD, and it should be a silver product. Product code is 500629, and that is bought from PC World, and the price was discounted £200, and this cost £1,199. This was bought in September 2022. Okay, so there's a plastic, I'm just doing an unboxing on it. So there's a plastic film covering the box. Ordered in the shop. Actually, it was cheaper in the shop than online. So ordered in the shop, got the discount, and ready to collect the next day. So you know it's brand new. Never been opened before. What have we got here? So we've got any specs down here. i7 100 and 1260p. So on your HD video, on your HD TVs, it normally says something like 1080, right? So this is, the screen is 1260p. LCD is 15.6, AMOLED, VRAM shared, so that's your memory. The one we saw in the shop was white, but silver with it. Oh, nicely done. It's just a lift your, like a box of chocolate type of lid, which is great. At least I don't have to start cracking open the sides or anything. So here we go. Galaxy Book, really nice box. Look how thin it is on the description. The reason why this was really attractive to buy is because the weight is very, very light. Internal inside, got the logo there, new logo I guess. Nothing in there like that. What have we got? We've got a kind of clothy thing here. It's like a bag covering. We've got, is this a charger? Must be. Looks like a USB mini port C, I think. There's a small version of C, I'm not sure. I'll have a look at the cable and I can tell. Flips up like that. Can't really tell what voltage that is, but I'm going to go for, if I can see it, you can see it. Normally it's about 15 volts, these things. Add one of these on it. Don't really know how to lift this one up. The wafer thin, I'll just leave that to one side a second. Here's the cable. So this is a charging cable. Both ends look like USB-Cs. Yep, charging port. So I'm expecting the equivalent on the laptop. Not sure what that is. Quick startup guide. Nothing in there. Just some worded tiny bit of paper. No CDs or anything so far I can find. Just gonna leave that there a second. Just make sure there's nothing underneath. Don't want to miss anything. It's all made of paper, so there's no plastic at all. It's all cardboard, which is a bonus. Even this looks like a plastic tray. It's not a plastic tray. Everything is cardboard, biodegradable. Don't think there's anything in there. Not sure what that was. It could have been for a there's another version called the Pro 360. That there would be for the little kind of pen that you use on the flip screen. I don't think this is touch screen. So putting that to one side now. Very, very light feeling. This is 1.1 kilograms. It feels much lighter than the laptops I'm used to, especially for quite a large one. This is actually a bag. It's not like a flimsy bit of plastic you can rip off. Alright, so there's a nice silver colour, and I guess it's upside down. Oh no, this would be the right way when it's flipped, so I have got it the right way. So we're going to look on the right hand side first. Right hand side, there's a USB 3, I think this would be. Not sure what that is. This looks like an audio jack. On this side, looks like one of them should be charging port. That one is charging port. Not sure what that is. HDMI. So that'd be HDMI 2.0 probably. Not sure what it is too. Not sure what that is as well. If one of them is a charging port, what is the other one? Very nice rubber feet. Very nice ventilation at the bottom. These are really quite nice for rubber feet. Nothing at the back. This is the one you cannot kind of flip over and turn into a tablet on its own. So let's have a look. Here it is. I'm not going to switch it on. It's got a nice screen, and that's another biodegradable thing. Just feels like a bit of a waxy tissue. That looks great. It's got a number keypad, which is unusual for a laptop. Usually there's not enough space for that. Is it quite reflective? The screen is fairly reflective, I would say, but quite dark at the moment. It seems quite dark. The only way I can test it is to shine a light behind it, and you'll see. I'll use this light, so it's this bright. This is how reflective it is. Alright, so it's quite reflective, but you know, if you wanted a laptop not to reflect any light and to be quite dim, I would say that probably, you know, you're not really on the right one here. Looks lovely, looks great. Remember, these cannot be separated on this model. Not sure what that is. It's got like a sticker on it. I guess that's the on off button right there. Why is there a sticker? I'm not sure. So anyway, just says that Evo i7. That would be the processor, I guess. So it's an i7 Advanced. I think this is an i7 version, generation 9. I think it is generation 9. This one is. Don't quote me on that. I should put a proper description in the description below. Alright, so great. Have another last look at it. Looks great. It's white at the bottom and silver on top. That's superb. Thanks for watching. The bonus of this is probably half the weight of the other ones, I would say, especially if they're about this size. I've seen ones smaller that's double the weight. Alright, thanks for watching. Hit that like, subscribe button. I'll leave a link in the description to have a look yourself on PC World, Curry's PC World. Anyway, thanks for watching. You can see there, that's the light shining straight on it now. If I do that, you won't really see it. Anyway, so normal reflection is this. You can't really see me that well. I've got my hand right in front of the laptop. Alright, thanks for watching.